Now let's dig a bit deeper and see how you can analyze a particular stock. If you want to perform some sort of technical or fundamental analysis, will this mobile application be good enough to tell you how to do it? Well, in this particular case, you can see that there is a menu, the breadcrumb menu, the top left. You tap on that, there is search option. Then you tap on search one. Now you have to figure out which particular stock you're interested into. Let's say for this example, we go ahead with the Infosys. Once you do that, all the kind of entities listed in the stock market for this particular company will be displayed to you. Let's tap on the top one. Now you have the option to either buy it from here itself, then you will be displayed the buy and the sell screen, or you can sell it, of course, and then you can check out the details of this particular script. You can add it to your watch list, or you can set up an alert depending on your requirement. Now let's tap on detail. Once you do that, you have a very high level information displayed to you right away with the open price, high price, low price of the day, 52-week high and low, and similarly you talk about market cap and volume. Then there is a chart displayed. It's not that user friendly. It's a very basic level chart. You can change the frequency here, 1 day to 1 month, similarly 3 months and 1 year and 5 years, depending on the kind of trader or investor you are. You can also change the look and feel of these charts by clicking on advanced chart. Once you tap onto that, a very candle bar sort of a chart will be displayed to you. You can also basically change the way it looks again. Now there are 3 different chart types that are available to you: candle, colored bar, and mountain chart. You can just change the look and feel by tapping any of those options here. Then there are some studies and technical indicators available to you depending on the fact that whether you want to perform a technical analysis using this mobile application, which is not a bad idea though, but you can do that looking at the 10 or 12 technical indicators. So we have, similarly, you can draw your own strategy on top of the stuff that is available to you within this application. So you can see that although this is a mobile app, and mobile app as compared to a terminal software is a much smaller sort of a trading platform, but still IIFL has tried to give as much as options that they can. Go back to the home screen again for the stock analysis, and it's not just that if you want to trade at intraday or delivery level, you can check out the future and option or the derivative level pricing as well. All kinds of call and put options are there along with strike price. You just have to tap on the strike price here and you can sort that price as well for you. So irrespective of the fact that what kind of a trader you are, you will be having all kind of detailed information using this application. IIFL View, since it's a full service stockbroker, they're going to give you all kinds of research reports or tips or recommendations on most of the stocks that they have enlisted here. Now for Infosys, like we are viewing now, they have a recommended price at 990. They're also telling you what's the target price, and similarly very basic level viewpoint from their end. So you can follow them, you can perform your own analysis on top of it. It's your take, but still you will have something to start with as far as this application is concerned. Then whatever news is availed for this particular entity, for this particular stock in the last few days or months will be shown to you. A lot of people generally tend to avoid this kind of information, that they think they might get confused or something like that. But honestly, if you want to reap some profits out on a regular basis for yourself, this is the kind of information you should be looking at. You cannot avoid this. You cannot get away from this and make sure that you are making your money. It's not going to happen. Yes, you can use the tips or recommendations of an advisory service, but well, you're going to pay them a lot of money too. Now this is news. Similarly, they are going to give you the all kinds of research reports that they have published for that particular stock in the recent past. So you can see, irrespective of the fact that you're a fundamental investor or you are an intraday trader, or if you're somebody who looks into trading into derivatives, anyway, whatsoever be the concern, you're going to get the kind of information you want from this chunk of piece of screens you have right in front of you. So this is about how you analyze a particular stock using this application from India Infoline.